What's up guys, it's Travis and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be dropping another altcoin gem on you guys. So if you guys are excited, then please make sure to leave that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you wanna see more content like this in the future. Let's jump right into it. All right, so taking a look at Paint right now, you guys can see that the price per coin is at 0.0018 cents. So it's fairly low. Market cap is only at $16 million, so we have a lot of room for growth here. Taking a look at the chart, we can see that there was this nice pump a few days back, but with the whole crypto space going through a pullback, Paint also saw one of those as well. So personally for me, this chart is looking like it could come down a little bit more and test some of these previous lows before it starts to go back up. So I wouldn't invest all of your money right now at these prices, just in case that we do see another leg down. But if you guys want to start averaging in, that's what I would personally do with this. But it is down from its all-time high of 0.0038 and sitting at only 0.001. So it's down almost a little over 30% from its all-time high. So I'm not here to provide you guys with investment advice. I'm just showing you what I personally find value in some of the coins that I'm looking at. And if you guys see value in these coins too, then taking small positions and, like I said, average into them. So now that we've taken a look at Paint's token and its market cap, let's head on over to their website and take a deeper look at what Paint is trying to provide. So like I was saying before, Paint or MurAll is all about NFTs and creating your own projects. And you can sell these projects, and these projects require these tokens, the Paint tokens, in order to create NFTs. And when you create NFTs, those Paint tokens that you have get burnt in order to create these pieces. Well, if every piece that you make requires Paint tokens in order to create NFTs, and those Paint tokens get burnt, then that would mean that these tokens are becoming more and more valuable because there will be less and less tokens in the market in order to create NFTs. So taking a look at their website, we can see that it's very simple, very user-friendly. Everything is really clean. You can see right here, if you click on draw, it'll take you to this section where you can actually create your own NFTs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here, connect to your wallet, and trade Ethereum for the Paint token. And then with these Paint tokens, you will be able to create art pieces that you can then go and sell on OpenSea, Rarible, or even here, I believe, on the MurAll website. Right here, you can see that there's some art pieces that have already been created and posted, and I believe you can actually buy these right now or just post your own. So right here on their website, they actually provide you with a link that takes you right to Uniswap, where you can trade Paint for ETH right there just by connecting your wallet. And then you can also trade MurAll NFTs with OpenSea or at OpenSea for Ethereum. So they're really bridging the gap between other platforms to make it the most user-friendly as possible. And that's why I really like how simple MurAll's website is and the tokenomics behind the Paint token. So speaking of the tokenomics of the Paint token, let's jump over to the light paper and see the value that they're trying to provide to us as investors. So what are the tokenomics of Paint? Well, in the process of painting on MurAll, the paint is spent in the transaction and is burned, taking that paint out of circulation. This reduces the total supply of the Paint token. Now they're saying right here that there are possible drawbacks of the Paint tokenomics. And one that's fairly obvious is the fact that there are a lot of Paint tokens. So at the beginning, artists will not be incentivized to produce high quality art as paint will be cheap and plentiful, resulting in an initial phase of low quality art. In addition, a possible consequence of the deflationary aspect of paint is that some people may want to draw solely in order to reduce the global supply of paint. An example, to increase its rarity and therefore its value, thus those people may not produce high quality artwork on MurAll as their intentions are not driven by the desire to paint, but are instead driven by greed. So from a strictly investor standpoint, investing in the token Paint could be a very good idea because either way the tokens are going to become more and more scarce, which means the token price is going to continue to go up, especially since we're in an NFT craze right now when everyone wants to create a piece of art and sell it for millions of dollars. Now the second part of the tokenomics that MurAll talks about is As an NFT of your artwork is minted in the process of painting on Murall, it is in the artist's best interest to create something that's either high quality or meaningful, because they can then sell that NFT later for a lot more money. Rather than just creating a piece of junk in hopes of decreasing the supply of the token, these token holders can now be incentivized to create high quality art pieces, because they'll be able to make more money off of the NFTs that they've created versus the tokens that they're currently holding. So in addition, due to the fixed supply of paint and its deflationary nature, this means the amount of NFTs possible to produce from Murall is also limited, as NFTs can only be produced while there is paint to use on Murall. Once the global paint supply runs out, no more Murall NFTs can be minted. Thus, they have this additional rarity attribute to them. So the pieces themselves will also become more rare, because eventually nobody will be able to create any more NFTs on the Murall website. Now they talk about the dual tokenomics working in harmony. We believe that these two tokenomics, the deflationary tokenomics that we just talked about, and the potential of people creating high quality art pieces in order to sell them for a profit, these two tokenomics working together in tandem will ensure high quality content is painted on Murall, as artists are incentivized and rewarded for producing high quality art, thus circumventing the need for centralized control, censorship of the artwork produced on Murall. Now we're going to get into the token distribution model. So as they stated in their light paper, the total amount or supply of the paint token will only be 22,020,096,000 tokens, which is calculated from the 0.5 paint fixed cost per pixel to draw on Murall, with the total amount of possible art pieces that are able to be created being 21,000, with the max amount of pixels being 2048 by 1024. And the paint token will be distributed as follows. 42% will be going to known artists. 40% will be going to existing NFT holders. 3% of the tokens will be going to founders, and 15% of the paid tokens will be left in order to run competitions, events, commissions, and social stuff. And also to give the few people that have helped us with testing, etc., a little something as a thank you. But that's pretty much all I've got for today's video, guys. I personally think that the paint token is very interesting. This token would be more of a long-term hold for me, just because of the tokenomics and how they work. But let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of the paint token. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys got value from today's video, then please make sure to leave that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. I'm Travis Trades, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon in the upcoming episode. Take it easy, guys.